Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Lethabo Mampana and I'm back again with another YouTube video. If it's your first time up in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can become part of the family. If you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, shout out to you. You and I are buddies. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can be spread out to other people in recommendation so that they can get to enjoy the good content that comes with this video. So guys, I would like to thank you all for a whopping 900 subscribers. Man, you guys are so amazing. You guys are so great. It wouldn't have been possible without your support, guys, and I really much appreciate it. So let's continue making the things happen. Let's make sure that the channel gets to grow. So today's just another day in the life of a broke Forex trader where I'm simply trying to make my money off of Forex, trying to make money online in 2023. One thing I want to let you guys know is that we do have a WhatsApp group, which is a community of Forex traders. So we share about trading ideas, we share about signals, trade analysis, we answer every question that you might have if maybe you are not certain with regards to a specific pair, direction, like each and every single thing that is Forex related. You can just post that question into that group. And if you want to become part of that group, or if you want to join the group, please listen to this carefully, guys, because I'm struggling with people wanting to join the group and they don't follow what I actually say in the video, because this will save me time when I'm saying that if you want to subscribe or if you want to join the group, just holler at me on 063 497 1886 and you can just say, hi, my name is so and so, I saw your video, you talked about joining the group, then I would like to be part of that group. Then all you need to do is just to send me such message. When I say you should do that, guys, this saves me a whole lot of time because I have so many people that I need to attend to. Yes, my channel might be small, but that doesn't mean I'm not busy, because these videos that that people might take for granted, they really do bring a whole lot of people that want to join the group. So it's a queue. So to avoid having to wait for a long time before I can reply to your text, just go straight to the point. You know what I mean? Just say, hi, my name is so and so, I heard you talking about your WhatsApp community group, I would like to be part of that group. That's simple. Then from there, I will need you to send me a screenshot showing that you have subscribed, right? Because you have to be a subscriber in order for you to join our community group. I mean, you can't be a member when you are not a subscriber. You know what I mean? So it's that simple, guys. If you want to become a member of that community WhatsApp group, you have to be a buddy. It's as simple as that, guys. Please make my job so easy and smooth so that I can get to reply you guys as swiftly as possible. And because some of you might know that I really do reply swiftly, so if then you're going to just come to my WhatsApp and say, hi, how are you, I'm great, I like your content, man, it is awesome, you know, we're not getting anywhere, because now I have to reply to each and every single message that you send. Then other people are waiting in the queue to be replied. So if you can just please, I'm humbly asking you guys, I'm not trying to be rude, or I'm not trying to sound anyhow. I'm humbly asking you guys to just get straight to the point so then I can get to help you, because I really like helping you and I don't want to leave you guys hanging. Hence, I get to reply to each and every single comment in my YouTube channel, and that's why I get to reply to each and every single message on WhatsApp, because I know how it is to be ignored when you need help. So let's get into the video, guys. Let's see which pairs is it that we're going to look into. Then yeah, we will get to see how everything turns out. Cheers. All right, guys, so welcome to my laptop screen. This is AUDNZD that we're looking at right now, and we are currently on daily time frame. So on daily time frame, what we're going to be looking at is market structure. So we need to establish the market direction. So if daily time frame doesn't give us a clear market direction, then we're going to head to 4-hour time frame, where we will be unpacking and seeing if 4-hour time frame will make sense. So if it still doesn't make sense, then we go to 1-hour time frame to see what is it that we can do to make it sense. So if it doesn't make sense, we just leave it alone and we go on to the next pair. Or if 1 hour makes sense, but then the 15 minutes it's kind of taking, then we're going to leave the pair. So but then at the moment we are looking at it on daily time frame. So this is what we're going to do. I'm just going to begin from here. So we have a high up here. That's a high up there. Or let me just pull it like this so that you can see it. We have a high here. This is where I'm going to begin it. Then we have a low. We have a lower high. Then we have a higher low, lower high, higher low. So this is clearly a ranging market. It's ranging between this price action here. So what are we going to then do from here? So like I said, we want to see market direction on daily time frame, but then if it doesn't make sense, we then going to go to 4-hour time frame. But from here, let me just highlight it. Let's look at price from here. Then we're going to look at it here. So we're going to focus only on this portion. All right, we know that it's ranging, but then we can still make something out of it. Let me see, or let's see if that will indeed happen. So if there's nothing, it's cool. We're going to go to the next pair. So now let's begin. So it's ranging, right? And then here we can see here that we have that lower high, and we have that higher low, lower high, higher low, right? We can then put our trend line from there to here. Then we can also do the same from here actually to there, right? Or let me just say from here to there, right? So it looks like a correction type of thing, and when you look at it at the top, it doesn't make any sense, right? So we're just going to then leave it, and we're going to focus on 4-hour time frame to see what's happening there, because we can't make sense of it here on daily time frame. Because if I can just force to make something off of this time frame, then I will just setting up myself for failure, right? Then let's move to 4-hour time frame. Let's see what's happening there. All right, so now we're here on 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Zoom out. Then we can see here we have a high, or let me just say high, low, lower high, then a higher low. But we can see from here price went to the downside. From here it went to the downside, and it also went to the downside here, right? So we have this type of nature here, right? So let me just mark this, and if maybe you want me to start it from here, let me just do so. So then there we have it. So guys, what I'm doing here is a mixture of price action trading, retail trading, as well as smart money concept. Then you will see everything, and everything will make sense. If it doesn't make sense, as always, you can just leave me a comment in a comment section down below, then I will attend to it. Then we can see here that currently it's going to the downside. We do know that it's ranging from this level, right? It's ranging between this high here and the low down here, but we can still take an advantage of some certain moves within the consolidation, right? So as you can see here right now, we have a high first touch, and we have second touch. Then now price is going to make a third touch, which then we will take advantage of it. So then when you look at it at the top, at the bottom, we have a first touch there, then we have a second touch here. Then I'm expecting price to come and tap here for third touch, then plummet to the downside for a third touch on the downside, or to the downside, right? Or at the bottom, if I can just put it that way. So this is how it's looking on daily time, I mean on 4-hour time frame. I almost said weekly time frame, but yeah, this is 4-hour time frame, and now it makes perfect sense for us to go and sell this thing. But you might be asking, or you might be wondering, that you said this is a mixture of price action trading, retail trading, and smart money concept trading, but so far we only saw price action and the retail trading. Then where is the SMC? So this is where the SMC comes in. So now we know that here it's price is going for the third touch, but then we can't just rely on the third touch. We might know, or it might not come and touch on this, but it might reverse on a certain order block. So this is where the SMC now comes in. So let's zoom in and let's see if price is heading to a certain order block or not. Right, so when you look at it here, it clearly shows confluence. Let me just mark it out, and I will explain why I'm saying it's made confluence. It gives us a confluence, right? So in retail trading, what we will then say is we expect price now to come and tap on this level, or rather on this trend line, right? But as per SMC, there is an order block sitting above this line. So in retail trading, then we're going to consider that a fake out. I'm not sure if I'm making sense. We're going to consider it as a fake out. Then as SMC traders, then we know that why price then will go further, then tap into here, then fall. Why? Because there is an order block sitting up there, right? So it gives us confidence that we need to patiently wait for price to go to the upside and either turn from this. Then if it turns from this, it's still fine, then we're going to leverage from it to the downside, or it has to go to the upside and do what we call a fake out for those who are relying only, or who are relying solely on trend lines, then to the downside for a third touch there. Right, so guys, I'm hoping I'm making sense. I hope I make sense, guys. So then from here, let's move to 1 hour time frame and see what is it that we can expect. But then this is basically everything that you need to do on this pair AUDNZD, right? But let's just move to 1 hour time frame and let's see how it's looking there. So right now on 1 hour time frame, we can see here that we have a channel to the downside, meaning that this is bearish, and inside this bearish channel we have a bullish channel, as you can see. So we have something of this nature, right? So we have a bullish channel inside a bearish channel. Then there lies our order block. So what we need to see, we need to see price coming and tapping into this order block. So let's just pull out our Fibonacci retracement tool and see if this order block is of qualifying to be trusted and traded from. Let's just pull it from down there to this leg, I mean from up there to this leg down here. Then we can clearly see that this is a very much qualifying order block because it's sitting above even 79% zone, right? Or we can refine it to this order block here because of that fair value gap, but you can, or we can still keep it at this order block. Or if you want to refine it, let me just refine it for you, then we will just keep that in mind as well. So let me remove this Fibonacci retracement tool because it gave us what we wanted, and we are now sure where this price is going, or what this price will attempt to do. What am I doing? Okay, so I want to mark out this order block here, or no, not this one, but this one, because of this fair value gap here. Let me just enlarge so that you can see that fair value gap. So this is a fair value gap. The fair value gap starts from here to there. So that's a clear fair value gap. Hence, I mean, the reason why I'm marking out this order block is because of that fair value gap. So the reason why I'm refining it and not using this one is because I don't see a clear fair value gap there. Then now, let me mark out that zone. Then I can just wait and take a trade from it. So I will keep updating throughout the week to see if it played out or what. Let me just zoom out this. Okay, so when you refine it now, it makes perfect sense, and this is a beautiful confluence because now that order block passes through the trend line, which in this case serves as what we call a resistance. So this is basically, or this is what we need to then look out for. There's nothing much that can be done unless you want to overcomplicate things. So we just keep it as simple as possible in here, then trade simple trades, right? So this is a mixture of retail trading as well as SMC. Right, we used SMC in a form of order blocks to give us confluence, and we used SMC again in a form of Fibonacci retracement tool, and yeah, then we used retail trading in a form of trend lines to identify our channels, bearish channel and bullish channel. So in this bullish channel, inside the bearish channel, it helped us to actually be in the know that actually this has now broken to the downside. As you can see, this level was broken to the downside and now it's coming for a retest. So reason why we're saying it might come and reverse from here is because of this order block here, as well as this resistance in a form of trend line here. But again, something might happen where it might happen from here, right? So something might happen from here, which is a SR flip. So this is a flip where price might come and tap or turn into or turn from. Why am I saying that? We want to see bearish engulfing, which happened somewhere here. So from here it might still continue to go to the downside, but ideally you and I are going to wait for price to tap into this order block or to tap on this trend line, then go to the downside. So if it further plummets from here, then we want to see it removing some of the removing this low here before we can consider taking the trade. So if, let's say, when the market opens, then price decide to further plummet, then we want to see it removing this level here, then that will be our change of character. From there, then we're going to enter at a nearest order block that is very qualifying for us to enter a trade. This is as simple as that, guys, and this is where I'm going to leave it. And I believe that this video had value and it was informative. So if there is something that you want to maybe comment on this video, you can just leave me a comment in the comment section down below. It will help my channel grow in terms of engagement, and I will greatly appreciate that. And like I said in my intro, please make sure that you hit me up with your name and the screenshot showing that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel if you want to join our WhatsApp community group, which is a community of Forex traders where we share about ideas, trade ideas, signals, that we exchange each and every single thing that is Forex related. So if you want to become part of that group, just send me your name via WhatsApp and also send me a screenshot and just get straight to the point. Right, guys? So this is where I'm ending this video today, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching up until this very end. Your views are very much appreciated and doesn't go unnoticed. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. It has been your boy Lethabo Mampana, and I'm out. Peace.